Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we are driving along, connected to the internet, and suddenly a message appears using offline maps. It's totally confusing because Waze doesn't even have offline maps. This glitch appears even with a strong server signal and prevents real-time traffic updates. So in today's small tutorial, we want to go through how to fix the using offline maps message in Waze. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First, we want to go and toggle airplane mode. This is the quickest fix. Turn airplane mode on, wait a few seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the network and often clears the message. Then, restart the app. First close Waze completely, swipe it away from recent apps, and reopen it. The using offline map message is often a startup connection glitch if Waze couldn't contact the server at startup. It defaults to offline mode even if you have signal. So right now, go ahead and check your car's Wi-Fi connection. If you are using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, some cars try to connect to your phone via Wi-Fi instead of using your phone's mobile data. On your phone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and find your car's network. Select Forget this network. Your phone will then use mobile data for Waze. Also check your internet connection. Make sure your phone actually has a data connection. Try loading a website or using another app that requires internet. If you have no data, the message will persist until you regain connectivity. Restart your phone if the message stays after multiple attempts. A full phone restart can clear the stuck state. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.